Alright, hello South Carolina, and welcome back to another weather forecast video. We are back on this Saturday. Happy Saturday to you all, and I hope y'all doing well out there. Today is January the 13th of 2024, and let's just go on ahead and get straight into this, shall we? So, starting off with the radar, we already don't have too much. It's kind of clear out there right now, as all of the precipitation that was here last night has moved off, and it's really only just clear sky, maybe some clouds closer to the coast, but everything else is pretty nice. Now, as we get into our cloud cover, you can see it over here. You can see the blues here for the low country going up into the PD region. We can push forward, and that thing starts to move off. Maybe some more clouds later into the day. But other than that, it's going to be pretty nice. No precipitation is really expected from these if it does get cloudy like that. Now let's go into our hazards. Our hazards, we have flood warnings out for most of South Carolina for the rivers. And we also have all of the wind advisories are gone. So that's a great thing to talk about. We also have just clear conditions when it comes to hazards. Nothing really going on. Really quiet day today, and don't really expect a lot. We do have to watch for this cold air though, as you can see, like from Mississippi, Alabama, Tennessee, Arkansas, they are all under things like winter storm watches, and yeah, they're gonna get some. They're gonna get a winter storm up there, so that's what they're waiting for. I don't think we're gonna get a winter storm. Maybe the upstate has a chance, but I don't think that like the Midlands or the Low Country has a chance of seeing that. Um, let's go to our maximum temperatures. We're gonna have max temperatures around 56 around Charleston, Centerville, Myrtle Beach. We're gonna have temperatures 52, 53, 54. Columbia, Sumter, Florence. Upstate around 47 to 49. North Augusta 52. So it's going to be really chilly up in the upstate, but not too cool, but kind of cool inside of the rest of South Carolina. Pretty tame day. Now, as we get into our minimum temperatures, you can see 30s in mainly most of the Midlands and the upstate. The Low Country and the PD is going to be pretty not warm, but pretty warm compared to freezing temperatures like 34 inside of Florence, 40s at the beaches, the upper 30s in like Dorchester, Berkeley County. So it's going to be pretty cool tonight, chilly, cold. Um, but other than that, it's really nothing that we have not seen before. We can just get through this, and it should not really be that much of an issue. Now let's go into our wind gust. Wind gusts are going to be gusting around 30 miles an hour near like the Greenville area. 28 Columbia, 30 at Charleston, 33 at Myrtle Beach, 34 at Florence, 30 at Sumter. So this is for the next 24 hours until 9 a.m. tomorrow. And overall, tame conditions, tame wind conditions. We all have been seeing this for a while, but not going to be as bad as yesterday. Not going to be as breezy, I should say, as yesterday. It is going to be way more calmer, and something that we definitely don't have to worry about. Don't have to worry about no power outages or anything like that. So that's that. Now let's get into our 24-hour precipitation totals. Nothing. You can see it on the map. Absolutely nothing to worry about when it comes to precipitation. Now, if we look at the 72-hour precipitation rates, you can see by Tuesday, January the 16th at 7 a.m., we have around a tenth of an inch of rain going from Charleston all the way up to Beaufort and Myrtle Beach. So it's going to be a pretty wet Tuesday. Pretty wet, early Tuesday, late Monday. So I think this is going to be the night of Martin Luther King Jr. Day when we're going to see this. So that's that. Now let's go ahead and get into the winter storm impacts. I mean, you got a little tip right here going into South Carolina, but I mean, it's not nothing that we have to quite worry about. It's not really like, oh, we're gonna see power outages and all that kind of stuff, but it might, you might get a little snow, but it might not be a lot, if that makes sense. This is all the way on the day 3, so the 15th through the 16th. Um, Now let's go ahead and look at the long-term model. Okay, as we push the thing forward, I mean, just take it as there's some cold air. There's the snow from the winter storm warning. Push that forward. There's the rain. Like right after Martin Luther King Jr. Day, and then we have some freezing rain down in Louisiana, Alabama, Mississippi. We push that forward, and then there goes that rain coming in to our region. Um, just rain, no snow really. Push that forward some more. Actually, there may be some snow inside like the northern PD region, but it might be a little trace. Then we got this next storm system coming. This will bring snow to the upstate. This is 150 hours out near like January the 19th. That will bring some snow to actually the Appalachian Mountains in the upstate. The low country, and we'll just see some more rain. Same with the Midlands, and as you can see, we have this huge cold air. This huge cold air right over us right now. And if there was a storm that came through, I would not be surprised. If it came at night, there could be a chance that some snow would form off of this. And the models were showing that too, that there may be some snow. Like there's snow in the ocean right now. That's just how cool it is. Okay? So we push this forward. And like they are really getting just like a snow down, just getting snow all over. Then the warm air, the warm ridge takes back, brings us some more rain, brings us a lot of rain with this system. And that's how far out it goes. 378 hours. Nothing really else to show about that. Some rain possibly for the upstate. Rain possibly for the northern PD. And then just rain pretty much everywhere else. So it's going to be quite the wet couple of weeks, I would say. The next couple of weeks will be kind of wet. And here's our drought monitor. Here in Abbeville County, y'all are inside of a D2 severe drought. That means that y'all are on a level 2 out of 4 for seeing a drought. Everyone inside the white, as you can see, we are none. We are not abnormally dry. We are not a moderate drought. We are not severe, nor extreme, nor exceptional. But Abbeville County, Anderson County, y'all are the rest. The people that are not inside the D2 are inside the D1, which is like tannish color, and that means you're all in a moderate drought. And then everyone that's not inside these two that are in all these counties up here are normally dry, meaning that it's not a drought, but it can be a drought real soon if y'all don't get some rain. But other than that, there's nothing else I really need to show y'all. I mean, it's nice and clear out there. It's nice, and just enjoy the day wherever you are, especially if you're in the low country or Midlands, because it's going to be, the temperatures are going to be cool, but it's going to be way better than it is in the upstate. Upstate, you can still go outside too. We're not saying that y'all can't, but like, if you're inside the low country, Midland PD, definitely, for sure, go outside and just have fun, do whatever you want to do, and that's going to wrap it up. So, thank y'all so much for watching. Have a great Saturday, and I hopefully will talk to y'all this evening. Thank you.